Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Finally, it happened. Just a couple of hours ago, the big man signed an EO for a strategic Bitcoin reserve, adding 200,000 already seized Bitcoins to the stockpile. Sachs said the reserve will be funded exclusively with Bitcoin seized in criminal and civil forfeiture cases, ensuring that taxpayers bear no financial burden. The reserve should also include Bitcoin, Ether, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. The U.S. will not sell any Bitcoin deposited into the reserve. It will be kept as a store of value. The reserve is like a digital Fort Knox for the cryptocurrency often called digital gold, Sachs said. More details will be shared on Friday at the Digital Asset Summit. It's comical. During the announcement, the price dumped from 91,200, dropping 7.18% all the way down to 84,700, almost as if it was a sell the news event. During this dip, I opened another position on Binance with an entry of 85,800. I scaled more into the trade once we recovered in a V-shape from this level, but I think this will be a strong position to hold from here. On the 1-minute time frame, we can see 4 yellow X's, which indicate unnatural whale price manipulation, dumping, but then again, after the recovery, all we can see is bullish divergences flashing and the price is rising again. Checking the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can see that market makers took the opportunity to not only see the news but used it to take out the over-leveraged late longs with liquidation leverage prices around 87,000, which had been building up since the 5th of March and peaked with 249 million around that area in liquidation leverage. All in all, only 24 hours wrecked. $533.54 million got liquidated. Longs, 393.92 million. Shorts, 139.62 million. The 2-week heat map still has the hottest area around 97,000 and further north, up above 100,000. So basically the reason for the dump was that market makers manipulated the price downward after the news broke so they could liquidate longs. I'm happy so far with the positions I got and look forward to prices rising soon. I will update you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Click the like button if you got value from this video and subscribe with the notification bell on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.